Hello everyone. What we have in here is this new heli that I already seen many videos about it. Many of these people like me, they're not very beginners, but I didn't get to the point to flip it yet or do some other things. I'm trying to learn a little more to see, heli are different than planes and similar to drones, but that you gotta get used to. And today is a little windy, maybe 9 miles, something like that. And what I'm gonna try today is the new battery. They come with this. I mean, it doesn't come with, but it's made for this 3203 cell battery. So let's start it out. Set up the whole thing.
Warning, hold mode.
Hold mode. Okay, I have different.
Normal mode.
We gotta go to, where is this guy? Here it is. Eclipse. Eclipse. I got you. All right. So like I had different battery. I had to use this adapter, but with this battery I don't need to use the adapter. So let's see how it goes. On hold mode. Don't ever forget to put in hold mode, because something could happen. Oh, done. So let's see how it is. You don't see nothing. Looks everything fine. It's in hold mode and it's in that. Okay, boom, we got it packed. It fit perfect. That battery is fantastic. We see how it does. We're gonna go over there and start flying. Like I say before, the wind is a little bit coming from there, so we gotta be careful with this type of wind. But anyway, we gotta try to fly, because we gotta get used to. And I forgot something very important. Before that deco, I hook up a light on the front. Mira, pump. It's in normal mode. Oh. All right, pull it. The wind is pushing a lot, but it's doing pretty good. This battery is kind of strong. We gotta be careful with the wind. Don't go very far. Oof. Nice. You can see that light on the front. If you lose orientation, okay, now it's in normal mode. It flies very nice, really. The tail motor is in Yeah, the wind is doing something, so, but it's very stable. On video, look how it goes that way. Come back here, baby. And you leave it, look. Nice. Wow, that's beautiful, dude. So you gotta pay attention. Look at that noise. Wow. It's pretty smooth, but yeah, it's a beauty. Look at that. I like the decor. It looks more real. Well, soon we're gonna start doing some kind of stone one. Let's see. Let's hear the motor when we go to stone one.
Stunt 1.
Ah, nice. All right, let's go to normal mode and come back here to land, because I think it's time to land. Nice. It's really something nice. It's very, very responsive. It's really something. Okay, let's see if this get recorded.